smarter than an octopus. This flimsy, blobby-looking creature may not exactly look like a genius, but octopuses have demonstrated great curiosity and problem-solving ability. In one experiment, an octopus was able to screw the cap off a lid for a snack. In another, an octopus recognized human signals and responded to a friendly human versus a non-friendly one. But the most interesting display of street smarts is a 2016 sneaky escape made from the National Aquarium of New Zealand. Inky the octopus squished his way out of his tank, down a drain pipe, and into the ocean. Snacks, smiles, and secret escapes. Sounds more like your oversmart toddler, doesn't it? But the octopus is not the only quick-thinking creature in the animal kingdom. Here are 6 others who are considered to be incredibly intelligent. From crows solving puzzles to whales speaking in multiple languages, nature's brainiacs will leave you astounded. If you ever plan to use the word bird brain as an insult, make sure there are no crows around. There is a reason these smart birds make it to number 6 in our list. Crows have the largest brain-to-body size ratio amongst birds, and they put it to good use. They use objects to solve puzzles and can even understand the abstract concept of zero. Complex mathematics aside, perhaps their coolest trait might be an ability to memorize human faces. They'll remember who was kind to them and who wasn't. And they will teach this to their babies. Which means you could potentially have generations of crows come after you if you've been mean to one of them. Just something to watch out for. With the second largest brain of all ocean mammals, the unfairly branded killer whale stands at number 5. Orcas are considered the most cultured species after humans, capable of displaying long-term memory, emotional learning, and the ability to pass knowledge down through generations. They have their own form of communication, hunting techniques, and even food that distinctly differs from other orcas depending on their location. Orcas can also learn the languages of other animals, including that of dolphins, if they live near them for long enough. Bilingual orcas? Sounds pretty cool, right? At number 4, we have our favorite cousin, the orangutan. Orangutans share 96% of their DNA with humans, so it shouldn't come as a surprise as to how darn smart they are. Even smarter than human children in a lot of cases. In one study, orangutans were found to be better at crafting tools than kids, showing that they use observation and memory to develop learning. Unlike other animals, orangutans do not always behave on instinct. They often process information to make calculated decisions, such as when sensing trouble nearby. Mothers will often alarm their offspring of danger approaching, which is very advanced communication for someone who never went to school. Coming in at number 3, we have the bottlenose dolphin. We all know they can talk to each other and learn to do tricks, but exactly how smart are they? With brains up to 5 times larger than usual for their body size, dolphins are often considered to be the second smartest creature after humans because of their ability to think, learn, communicate, and socialize. They've demonstrated compassion, a knack for creativity, and a natural inclination for being cooperative. Dolphins aren't just smart, they're beautiful too, and they know that. Dolphins can recognize their reflection and not mistake it for another animal. So, who's the fairest of them all again? Elephants are a runners-up. Always known for their memory, elephants are much smarter than we give them credit for. Researchers believe elephants have great cognitive and emotional capabilities. They can use tools, work their way through problems, understand body language, and even mourn the dead. In 2010, an elephant at the Smithsonian's National Zoo in Washington, D.C. did something remarkable. It moved a large plastic cube to use as a step stool to reach food that was just out of reach. Another one that sounds like your toddler reaching for that cookie jar. Which smartest animal claims the top spot? It's none other than our closest relatives, the chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are a lot like us. They not only use advanced facial expressions and arm gestures, but also understand how to use their voice to express happiness, anger, and excitement. They work exceptionally well in groups, creating tools to search for food or fish for ants. And the understanding of tools is what distinguishes them from other animals. From the simple presenting of leaves to partners they want to win over, to learning numbers in front of a computer, chimpanzees may soon give us a run for our money when it comes to intelligence. And this intelligence is passed down to their offspring, so don't be surprised if they manage to outdo our future generations. To know more about the geniuses in the feathered kingdom, check out our episode, Are Crows the Smartest Birds in the World? No matter if they're found in the ocean, on land, or in the air, all these animals are smart as hell. And that's what makes them crazy creatures.